Have you ever wondered if you could get one of those incredibly powerful AIs, the kind the big tech companies have, and just run it on your own laptop, privately? Well, today we're diving into a tool that makes that exact thing possible. And honestly, it is a complete game changer.
Really think about it. Have you ever wanted to just experiment with a cutting-edge AI, not through some website, but to actually build with it on your own terms, knowing that all your data is staying completely private with you? That's kind of the dream, right? But until pretty recently, it's been a massive technical headache.
Because traditionally, getting your hands on this level of AI power meant you had to navigate this whole world of complexity, cost, and some pretty serious privacy trade-offs.
Right, just think about how we usually use AI, through the cloud. It's powerful for sure, but that often means wrestling with complicated setups, dealing with potential costs, and of course, sending your data off to someone else's server. The alternative, running AI locally, promises the total opposite. Simple setup, it's free, and it's completely private. Bridging that gap has been the real challenge, and that's exactly the problem this new tool is here to solve.
And that's where Ollama comes in. It's a project that was literally designed from the ground up to fix this exact problem, to make powerful AI not just accessible, but ridiculously simple.
So what is Ollama? Well, to put it simply, it's a tool that lets you download and run these amazing open-source AI models directly on your own computer. The whole point is to just get rid of all the fuss, all the complex configurations, and get you from zero to actually using the AI in just a few minutes. And what that really means is you can immediately start chatting with and building on top of these models, and everything, the whole show, is running right there on your machine. Plus, it's available for macOS, Windows, and Linux, so it basically throws the doors wide open for pretty much anyone to get into local AI development no matter what kind of computer you have.
Okay, so the promise is there, but how simple is it really, like in practice? Well, the answer is surprisingly, refreshingly straightforward.
No, seriously, it's really just 3 steps. You download the app, you pick a model you want to try from their library, and you run it. That's it. You can be chatting or building with it moments later. This isn't just easy. It completely demolishes the old-school technical barriers that used to keep people out.
And listen, we're not talking about some small, watered-down toy models here. We are talking about industry-leading, open-source powerhouses like Google's Gemma 3 or DeepSeek's incredible coding model. This is the real deal, cutting-edge stuff right at your fingertips.
But here's the really interesting part. Ollama isn't just a tool anymore. It's become a phenomenon. It's sparked this massive ecosystem around it, and the growth of this community is probably the biggest signal of just how much of an impact it's having.
You don't have to take my word for it. The numbers behind this project tell this incredible story of just how much developers are loving it. This isn't just another popular tool. It's fast becoming a core piece of the entire open-source AI movement.
Okay, let's look at the main project on GitHub. It has over 157,000 stars. Now, if you're not a developer, let me just translate that for you. That is a massive, massive vote of confidence. It's a sign of huge excitement and that tons of people are actually using this thing. And that excitement spills over into specific communities, too. The official Python library has nearly 9,000 stars. That plugs Ollama directly into what is, by far, the most popular programming language for AI development in the world. And you see the exact same thing happening in the web development world. With almost 4,000 stars, the JavaScript library is helping create a whole new wave of smart, local-first web applications. The reach is it's phenomenal. So when you actually visualize this growth, the scale just becomes so clear. The main project's popularity is just off the charts. But seeing that strong adoption in both the Python and JavaScript communities proves this isn't some fluke. It's a tool that's being woven deep into the fabric of the entire development world. Okay, so the numbers are insane, we get it. But that all points to a bigger question. Beyond the hype, why does a tool like Ollama fundamentally matter? What's the big deal here?
Well, it really boils down to 4 huge ideas. First, it's about accessibility, just tearing down the walls that kept everyday people away from advanced AI. Second, it's about privacy, giving you peace of mind that your sensitive data never, ever leaves your computer. Third, it's about empowerment, giving individuals the raw freedom to experiment and to build something new. And finally, it's about community, proving that this whole shift is being powered by a massive, passionate, open-source movement.
At the end of the day, what this all comes down to is a fundamental shift in control.
It's about taking the incredible power of modern AI out of the exclusive hands of a few big companies in the cloud and putting it directly into your hands.
And so that leaves us with a really fascinating question to think about. When AI becomes this personal, this private, and this easy to get, what happens next? What incredible new ideas and applications are about to be unlocked now that all the old barriers are gone? That is something we all get to watch unfold.